प्रियङ्गुगुलिकाश्यामं रूपेणां प्रतिम्बुधं सौम्यं सौम्यगुणोपेतं तं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहं. Namaskar. In continuation of earlier discussion about medical astrology and Sri Muthuswami Dikshita's Navagraha Kritis. This is part 5 of the discussion. I will be discussing today about Buddha, that is Mercury. Buddha, Mercury rules Mithuna Rasi and Kanya Rasi, that is Gemini and Virgo. Mithuna Rasi, exalt position is in Kanya, that is in Virgo. Debilit, that is Neecham, in Meenam, that is Pisces. This has combination of all three doshas, Pitta, Vata and Kapha. It is benefic when it is in with benefic grahas and malefic when it is with malefic grahas. Now, I want to discuss about what all grahas can be known as benefic grahas and which all are into the malefic grahas category. Benefic, that is Shubha grahas by nature are Guru, Shukra and waxing Chandra. That means the Chandra, when it is moving away from Surya to form Purnami, what we call as a full moon condition. So when Buddha is with Guru, Shukra and this waxing moon, that is which is also known as Shukla Paksha Chandra, it becomes beneficial, it is benefic. Kuja, Mars, Shani, Saturn and Rahu, Ketu and weaning Chandra, that is when Chandra, the moon, is moving towards Surya to form Amavasya condition, that is no moon day. These periods are known as Papa Graha, that is non-beneficial planets. So when Buddha is along with Kuja, Shani, Rahu, Ketu or the weaning, that is Krishna Paksha Chandra, it becomes malefic. It gives the malefic effects. Now, Surya has not come into these two categories. So, Surya is considered to be the Krura Graha, which is very strict, like discipline, like a father. So, according to Surya's placement in individual's birth chart, it becomes beneficial or that is benefic or malefic. Buddha is the closest planet to move along with Surya, that is within the 30 degrees of distance. So whenever in transit or in birth chart, Kuja, Mars, Buddha, Mercury, Guru, Jupiter, Shukra, Venus, Shani, Saturn, they come close to Surya in average distance of 12 degrees within that, then that graha gets combusted, that is it loses its strength, and this is known as Hastam Gatva. So Buddha stays for about 14 to 30 days in a Rashi, depending upon the motion. And thus it takes just a complete year, 12 months, to go through all 12 Rashis. So whenever it comes within the 12 degrees of Surya, close to Surya, then it becomes Hastam Gatva, that is combust. Aslesha, that is Ahiliam, Jeshta, Ketai and Revati nakshatras come under Buddha's lordship. Green color, Wednesday, that is Budhavaram, emerald gem, bronze metal, wisdom, talent, genius, intelligence, greenery, journalism, printing, publications, good speech, knowledge of astrology, maths, computers and all many more such related matters are connected to Buddha. Now, coming to the body parts which are connected to the Buddha, that is Mercury. Chest, nerves, brain, skin, navel, backbone, gallbladder, lungs, and alimentary canal. Now coming to the diseases caused by Buddha. Loss of discriminative power, mental hallucinations, hysteria, lack of willpower, throat and nasal diseases, typhoid, jaundice, itches, that is skin related diseases, diseases of mouth and face, defective speech and stammering, deafness and other ear related diseases, bad dreams, nervous breakdown and other neuro related disorders, diseases affecting the brain, problems related to the thyroid glands are few diseases which are caused by Buddha. Now coming to Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's composition. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar composed Buddhamashrayami Satatam in Ragam Natak Kurinji. This Ragam is Janyam of 28th Melakarta Raga Harikamboji, and Natak Kurinji Ragam is Vakra Sampurna Ragam. It's a Karuna Bhakti Rasa Ragam. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar composed this composition to heal a person whom he met, and that person was suffering with severe stomach ailment. The important phrase in this ragam, Nidani Padani Sa, works with the upper part of the body, mainly above the neck. The Kaisiga Nishadam, that is the Komal Nishad of Hindustani music, that Nishada Prayogam used thrice in this ascending order, that is Arohana order, vibrates the brain and related parts. Now, even medically, that is medical research, has also proved that the vibration, that is resonance, coming from musical notes helps in neurosystem. In this ragam, the Uttaranga Prayogam helps in healing and improving the brain related activities with positive energy. In previous discussion about medical astrology and Navagraha Kritis, I have spoken about Vadi Samvadi relationship in both music and human body. And now connecting that to this ragam, I want to tell about the lower, that is Purvanga portion of this ragam. The Avarohana order in this ragam, Natak Kurinji, has strong Madhyama and Gandhara Swara Prayogam. Being naturally connected, that is in Vadi Samvadi relationship, to Nishadam, Madhyamam and Gandharam Swaras carries the positive resonance to the lower part of the body. The stomach related problems caused due to the malefic position of Buddha in birth chart also helps in strengthening the liver functioning. Coming to the special connection between Panchamaswara to Gandharam in descending order, that is Pagarisa. The vocal cords are connected to the Vishuddhi chakra and Panchamaswara works with this chakra. The Nadi connected to the vocal cords are also connected to a point in our lower part of Manipura chakra where Gandhara Swaram vibrates. Anybody, if they want to check, what I am saying now, that, vocal cords, that Nadi is connected to the lower part of Manipura chakra, do a small practice. When you cough, you observe yourself that there is a point just below the Nabhi also gets pulled in when you are doing So you can feel the pull below the navel. So in this point, the phrase Pagarisa helps in improving the speech defect and stammering. because we are working both on the Vishuddhi chakra with the Paswaram, Gandhara Swaram in the Manipura chakra. So when they both get connected, Paga, this phrase actually helps in strengthening this nadi and helps. And that exercise which is given to that slowly improves the speech defects and stammering. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar selected this ragam for Budhagraha Kriti, maybe due to these features of Natakurinji ragam. We thank Dr. Meenakshi Ravi for giving us the opportunity to be part of Nada Arogya.
Budhamaśrayami satatam suravinutam chandrataraha-sutam budham ashrayami 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 satatam. Budhajanayir veditam bhusurair moditam Budhajanayir veditam bhusurair moditam madhura kavita pradam mahaniya sampadam madhura kavita pradam mahaniya sampadam budham ashrayami satatam. Kumkuma samadhyutim guru guhamudakritim kumkuma samadhyutim guru guhamudakritim kujavairinam manimakutahara keyura kankanadi dharanam kamaniyatara mithuna kanyadipam pustakakaram napum sakam kankanadi dharanam kamaniyatara mithuna सकं किङ्करजनमहितं किल्बिषादिरहितं किङ्करजनमहितं किल्बिषादिरहितं शङ्करभक्तहितं सदानन्दसहितं किङ्करजनमहितं किल्बिषादिरहितं शङ्करभक्तहितं सदानन्दसहितं बुधम् आश्रयामि सततं सूरविनुतं चन्द्रतारासुतं बुधम् आश्रयामि सततं